Understanding soil conditioner, an essential guide for garden enthusiasts. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic in gardening and agriculture: soil conditioners. Whether you're a budding gardener or simply curious about how to improve soil health, this video will offer valuable insights. So, let's get started and unearth the secrets of soil conditioners. Soil conditioners are materials added to soil to improve its properties, like water retention, permeability, water infiltration, drainage, aeration, and structure. They are vital for creating a healthy environment for plants. Unlike fertilizers, which focus on providing nutrients, soil conditioners enhance the soil's overall physical nature. There are various types of soil conditioners, each serving a unique purpose. 1. Organic matter, compost, peat, and sphagnum moss are common examples. They improve moisture retention and nutrient availability. 2. Clay conditioners. Materials like gypsum help break down heavy clay soils, improving drainage and aeration. 3. Sand and perlite. These are used to enhance drainage in dense soils. Using soil conditioners can significantly impact plant growth and soil health. Key benefits include enhanced soil structure, makes the soil more workable, fostering better root growth. Improved water retention, essential in dry climates to maintain moisture. Balanced pH levels. Some conditioners can neutralize soil pH, important for plant health. Applying soil conditioners varies based on the type and condition of your soil. Here are some general steps. 1. Test your soil. Understanding your soil type and pH is crucial. 2. Choose the right conditioner, based on your soil's needs. 3. Application. Generally, conditioners are spread over the soil and then mixed in. While using soil conditioners, avoid these common mistakes. Over-application. Too much conditioner can harm soil balance. Ignoring soil type. What works for one soil type may not work for another. Neglecting pH levels. Always consider the pH needs of your plants. We hope this video has shed light on the importance and use of soil conditioners in gardening. Remember, the key to a thriving garden is understanding and nurturing your soil. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.